Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic, located in Overland Park, Kansas, has been committed to convenient, quality care in the Kansas City metropolitan area since 1940. The physicians of Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic are subspecialty trained and board certified either in orthopedic surgery or physical medicine and rehabilitation, which allows them to offer the full range of musculoskeletal services to their patients.
This office and this practice is so pro-patient. Everything we do, we put the patient first.
Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic provides the latest technology to its patients, including electronic medical records, digital x-ray, online registration and bill pay, secure messaging, electronic statements, and the convenience of free parking and free public Wi-Fi. The physicians and office staff work together to ensure that patients feel welcomed and valued, and know they're being cared for with the highest standards.
I want to have myself and my nurse available for any patient questions, and that's something we really pride ourselves on, is getting back to people with any responses to their questions.
It is not just the doctor here, it is the entire office. I have never been in one where every person I talked to was friendly and helpful and energetic and willing to do whatever needed to be done.
Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic physicians are private practice and part of Signature Medical Group of KCPA.
No one plans for an acute injury. Nobody schedules their broken arm. And so we try to be as accommodating as we can to get people in quickly and get them taken care of and on the road to recovery.
I can't say enough good things about the experience that I had here. Very grateful.
At Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic, every patient is a priority. Schedule your appointment today online at kcbj.com or by phone 913-381-5225.